We are using Caterina, the queen of my pasta queen collection, to boil the water. This is a 3-piece set. The lid always helps because you can boil the water faster. Did you know that? You can boil your pasta water faster if you cover it with a lid. And then it's got a strainer that is removable from the inside, so you can literally keep the tears of the gods at the bottom of the pan. You see, it comes up and all the water is at the bottom. You can make soups, anything with it. But the strainer goes in. We're gonna cook the orecchiette inside. It's so good because no matter what, you always have that pasta water there and you never forget. You know how many times you go and drain the pasta in a strainer that it's separate and you forget to save your pasta water? The tears of the gods are essential for any successful dish. And that's why I love Caterina 8 quarts pasta pot. It's gorgeous, just like you are.